Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the 5 Senses Comedy Luxury Gift Set for Women, a 5-piece curated hamper perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, Rocky, or any special occasion designed to pamper all 5 senses for wives, sisters, girlfriends, or moms. It's got a pearl evil eye bracelet, a luxurious body wash, a perfume that's a dead ringer for Dior J'adore, a scented candle, and a Gungru Dreamcatcher keychain. Let's see if it's as fabulous as it sounds. First up, the packaging. It's stunning. Shipped by Win Brands on Amazon, it arrived in a sleek 27 by 27 centimeter box per Amazon's listing. So elegant and gift ready, no wrapping needed. Amazon reviews rave about the presentation, and I get why. Starting with the Pearl Evil Eye bracelet, it's gorgeous. High quality pearls with a chic evil eye charm. I wore it and it's sturdy and stylish. Per reviews, it's a standout. My sister would love this. Next, the luxurious body wash. I used it with a loofah and it lathers into a creamy foam. The scent is fresh and spa-like. It's vegan and gentle per web details. My skin felt soft and hydrated. Amazon users call it indulgent. The perfume, oh my gosh, it's a dupe for Dior J'adore per reviews. I spritzed it on and it's floral and long-lasting. I got compliments all day. A little goes a long way. The scented candle. I lit it and the fragrance filled my room. It's 100% soy wax per the site and burns cleanly, perfect for a cozy vibe. Some noted squished packaging, but mine was fine. Finally, the Gungru Dreamcatcher keychain. It tinkles softly when I move my bag. Such a unique touch for sound. I attached it to my keys and love it. This set's vegan, cruelty-free, and thoughtful. Not budget at around 2,500 rupees on Amazon, but worth it for the quality. Ideal for gifting or self-care. Truly a sensory delight. Want more? Stay tuned for my next video with a spa routine. If you're loving this hit, that like button, subscribe.